Roblox is an interesting platform. It allows tons of games created by other creators on its platform. Roblox is a popular game with over 150 million active players. Great developers who create and publish their games on Roblox create an income source and real cash through Roblox. Now, instead of focusing on games that other people have made, why don't you open Roblox Studio and start making your own games? With Roblox, it's super easy for anyone to jump in at a moment's notice and start making something that's fun to play without any prior game creation experience or knowledge. It's that easy. Let's take a look at the 3 steps involved in creating your first game. Step number 1. Getting started with Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is the basic interface you'll use in order to make all of your Roblox creation dreams come true. From here, you can start building worlds, designing your own game models, uploading objects to the database for other users to build, and even learn the ins and outs of the programs using tutorials and resources especially created by the Roblox Corporation. When you first open up Roblox Studio, it should look something like the image here. From this main menu, you can pick which template you want to start with, or if you want to start with one at all, and then use the tabs at the top to cycle between either creating worlds based on themes such as Western or Suburban, or based on gameplay such as Racing or Obby. An Obby is one of the simplest and most popular types of games you'll see in Roblox. They're basically 3D obstacles courses that players have to navigate by running and jumping to avoid hazards and other areas of the level. They're kind of like platformers in the vein of Mario and Sonic. For the sake of this tutorial, to keep things very simple, we'll focus on making an obby as your first game. Step number 2. Making your first game. Pick the obby template and upload it. You'll see an interface that looks something like this image. In the interface's center is the game environment where you can click things, drag things, and fully edit the playable world. There's a lot of stuff going on inside of Roblox Studio, but try not to get too overwhelmed. Since this is a template, that means the core mechanics are already in place. You've got a starting point and end point, as well as hazards to avoid along the way. In order to make this your own, we can make some simple changes. First, let's change the sky background to nighttime by switching the time of day. On the right, in the Explorer column, click the lighting that should open up a new box below called Properties, Lighting. Lighting with a bunch of numbers in it. Then scroll down to the bottom of the data section and find where it says time of day and a time. It's in military time, so you'll need to use the 24-hour version of whatever time you want. After that, go into the game environment menu and click on a few of the floating squares. Using the color option in the edit section, you can change the color really quickly and easily. If you want to make new platforms, just copy and paste them and then drag them around the environment to create a design that you think will be fun and challenging. Plus, don't forget to create new red squares too. They are what your player needs to avoid, and they add challenge to your game. Step number 3. Finishing your game first. For those who were super basic changes that you could make to your obby so it stands out more, you can of course do so much more with Roblox. This was only a small sliver of an introduction. That's as much as we can cover in this short video. I highly recommend checking out Roblox Studio's tutorials and looking up tutorials online. Once your game reaches a point you consider it to be finished and publish it to your Roblox, click File and then Publish to Roblox to start the process. From here, you can name your game, add a description, and get everything set up and ready to go. This brings me to the end of our video. That's all from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys could hit the like on this video and turn on notification so when I upload next you guys get notified would mean a lot. Also, if you guys could hit the big red button and subscribe to my channel, it would be great. That's all from me today. See you guys in the next video, and peace.